Hola, me llamo Jackson.
Hola, me llamo Solo.
Este es la forma de jugar Spikeball.
Yo he jugado Spikeball muchas veces en mi vida y me gusta Spikeball mucho.
Para jugar Spikeball, tú necesitas ser ágiles y apasionado.
Primero, Jackson golpeó la pelota al otro equipo.
El adversario fuerte golpeó el balón en el aire a su compañero de equipo.
Su compañero golpeó la pelota fuera del neto y los adversarios fueron los ganadores.
Estuvimos terrible y tenemos que practicar nuestros hábiles.
Let's go! Yeah! For those of you that want to know what we're all about, it's like this, y'all. This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name. He doesn't need his name up in lights, he just wants to be heard, whether it's the beat of the mic. He feels so unlike everybody else, alone, in spite of the fact that some people still think that they know. But no, he knows the code. It's not about the salary, it's all about reality and making some noise, making a story, making sure his click stays up. That means when he puts it down, Tox picking it up. Let's go.
Who the hell is he anyway? He never really talks much, never concerned with status, but still leaving him starstruck. Humble through opportunities given despite the fact that many misjudge him cause he makes a living from writing raps. Put it together himself, got a picture connects, never asking for someone's help or to get some respect. He's only focused on what he wrote, his will is beyond reach, and now it all unfolds.
Estamos listos para el campeonato.
Gotta get that. Gotta get that. Gotta get that. Gotta get that. Boom, boom, boom. 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 That boom, boom, boom. That boom, boom, boom. Yo, I got that hit to beat the block. You can get that bass on below. I got that rock and roll, that future flow, that digital spit, next level visual.
Este tiempo, fuimos los ganadores.